Welcome boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Timo, and in this video and on this channel we're gonna talk about photography for Instagram programmers who show their code and maybe want to take better photos. We're gonna talk about shutter speed, aperture, ISO, video as well, marketing, reaching people, that kind of stuff. This video is gonna be about 5 tools for beginning web developers, so nothing about photography, it's just a code video. But this is the starting video, so let's dive in the video. Tool number 1, Figma or Spark. Websites. They're meant for designing logos on websites. So what I do with this, I design my website in Figma, I design my logos in Spark, and this is how they work together. I will show a bit of a screen share shot kind of thing, which will demonstrate what I mean or what I meant or whatever. So this is what I do with Figma, and this is what I do with Spark. It's a bit of time lapse maybe, I don't know, but that's how I use Figma and Spark. The second tool is a code validator. This is for all you web developers out there who need to check the code, the PHP, the HTML, the CSS, the JavaScript, that kind of stuff. Just know that there is a tool out there that can validate it for you, so you don't have to jungle around in all your massive code or whatever. Maybe it's spaghetti code. My recommendation for a code validator is from W3 Schools. Great validator, and it's an awesome. It helped me a lot. And for the designers, I would suggest talking with the developer how well it goes with the code and such. And my 4th tool, which is a mobile environment tester. It's basically a website that you'll just run locally, but you can also access it from your phone, from your computer as a server or something like that. Just a tool that you can test your website or design for the mobile environment. What's also, and another possibility is to make an app for the website. It has a cost to it, but it can also benefit your company or your service to a bigger extent, you know. And the last thing is another logo design tool, which is Canva. They ain't sponsoring me because I mentioned them last or a second, but I really enjoyed my time using Canva, but I jumped over to Spark, you know, and that's just that. Maybe I'll share some extra thoughts on the topics when I'm editing this, so keep an eye out for that, but that will be at the end of the video. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, for now I'll say bye bye, stay safe.